Hello everyone, welcome to another Read Aloud. And today you are going on a trip through time. And it's about your journey to go back in the time. Are you ready for it? And it's about Renaissance. Let's go for this. Look at this. This is called Time Machine. Emily and Jay were bored. Their dad was a famous scientist. He worked in his lab. Their dad never let them in, but one day the children ignored him and snuck in the lab. They came inside the lab. There was a strange machine with a million buttons on in it, the room. They were surprised when they saw it. See, so many buttons on the machine. Their dad had told them about a new invention, a machine they could use to travel back in time. So, can you imagine? You can go in the past. Emily and Jay walked into the machine without thinking. Jay accidentally hit a lever and the machine started to talk. Hello, children. I'm Time Zoo. Why did you turn me on? Now you must travel with me through time. Fasten your seat belt. We are traveling to the Italy of Renaissance, a great time of discovery and art. Renaissance of Italy. Fantastic! I always wanted to meet the artist Michelangelo and ask him if he painted the Sistine Chapel himself or if someone helped him. Hello, children. Do you like my work? I did it all myself, even though it took 4 years. The Sistine Chapel is the most famous chapel in St. Peter's Basilica in Rome. Its ceiling is a series of fresco paintings by Michelangelo. It's done on fresco. Michelangelo. He was an Italian Renaissance architect, sculptor, and painter, considered one of the greatest artists of all time. His most famous sculpture is David, and his most famous paintings, the ones in the Sistine Chapel. Is that the famous painter and inventor Leonardo da Vinci? Leonardo, who is that woman in the paint? Great artist Leonardo da Vinci. That is La Gioconda, also known as Mona Lisa. Isn't she beautiful? La Gioconda, also known as the Mona Lisa, is a painting by the Italian artist Leonardo da Vinci. It is considered the most famous painting in the world and is housed in the Louvre Museum. World's most known and most famous painting in the world, Mona Lisa. Let us know about Leonardo da Vinci. He was born in Vinci in 1452. He was a painter, sculptor, inventor, architect, musician, enormous chef, philosopher, which is why he is known as the Renaissance man. Some of his more famous works are La Gioconda and Vitruvian Man. Children, now we have to go back. We hope you like the trip through time. Thank you.